न्यूयॉर्क में एक प्रोफेशनल डांसर थी, मतलब वो मेरा फुल टाइम जॉब था। और वहाँ से मैं पोस्ट कर रही थी इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरे काम के बारे में, एंड आई वुड कीप मेकिंग माई ओन वीडियोज़ एंड एवरीथिंग, जो मुझे आई फेल्ट कि इट वॉज गुड टू गेट माई नेम आउट देयर। ऑनेस्टली मैं मोस्टली वेस्ट पे फोकस थी, लाइक आई थॉट कि मेरी करियर वेस्ट में ही होगी, एंड यू नो whoever will see my videos and all, it'll pick up on that side of the world. Somehow ऐसा हुआ कि you know people, because I used to love Bollywood music, my whole life I've loved Bollywood music, and I even with my Western training I've danced to Bollywood music. So then I think some of the choreographers from this side of the world started to notice me. I got reached out to assist for films as a assistant choreographer. I got reached out to you know potentially collaborate on videos and everything. And finally ऐसा हुआ कि मैं इंडिया आ गई थी just for like 10 days. And one of those connections that had happened on Instagram was with Bosco sir, जिसने कत्ल को choreograph किया है. And we met up, we spoke for a bit. He was telling me about, you know, his studio and the label he was launching. And he also told me that हम ये गाना कर रहे हैं कुरु के साथ. So initially he had said कि if you want to be a background dancer in this, we'd love to have you. So I mean honestly, I said, I think at that moment I just shot, what is the word? I decided to shoot my shot. And I just said that, you know, would it be possible to be pitched for the lead? मैंने बहुत like respectfully कहा कि
बॉस्को से
yes, Bosco से. And at that time first उन्होंने कहा कि you know Revti, probably they want a established celebrity, an established face, because it's true बहुत music videos में ऐसा होता है कि they want somebody who is already known to help the reach, help the growth. So I said okay, and I let it go. And शायद एक हफ्ते के बाद I get a message from Bosco just saying कि Revti, do you want to be pitched for the lead? I said yeah, of course.
Of course.
And I think within 10 minutes he said okay, we're good to go. That was it. मैं gym में थी and I was like, what just happened? You know. And so I think in the next 2 days we did our rehearsals, we finished everything off. By Monday we shot, and then I was on a flight back to New York.